Bitcoin trading strategy. Copy trading on Bingx for guaranteed profits. Attention! 1. The most valuable advantage of our partner is the prompt resolution of issues, while on other crypto exchanges, primitive problems are solved for weeks and months. 2. If you have a VIP level on another crypto exchanges, we will give plus to VIP levels on Bingx. 3. For users trading with my affiliate code 911, don't forget about up to 20% discount on open-ended futures and up to 40% cashback commission, as well as up to 40% commission from your referrals. My contacts are in the description below this video or in a pinned comment. And so let's get started. Copy trading on Bingx can be an interesting strategy for those looking to follow the trades of more experienced traders. However, it's important to note that no trading strategy can guarantee profits. Here are some key points about copy trading on Bingx. 1. User-friendly platform. Bingx is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. 2. Diverse trading options. You can copy trade in various markets, including cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, and commodities. 3. Risk management. It's crucial to manage your risk by not investing more than you can afford to lose. Regularly assess the performance of the traders you are copying. 4. Transparency. Bingx provides detailed performance metrics for traders, such as ROA, P&L ratio, and drawdowns, helping you make informed decisions. While copy trading can be a useful tool, always remember that the market is volatile and past performance is not indicative of future results. Have you tried any other trading strategies before?